The time is what? 11, 7:30.
I think we can start now.
Yeah, that is better.
Success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. Good morning, everyone. It is my honor to welcome you all on this day where we'll be celebrating our annual magazine releasing ceremony 2020-21. Esteemed Chairman Jose Kannamali sir, the most respected principal Jose Joseph Alunkal sir, our vibrant headmistress Anita Kumari ma'am, and the dedicated teachers of kindergarten and all other section heads, a very warm good morning to one and all. Prayer is an action. It is a process of talking with God with energy in order to achieve a purpose. So let us begin this inaugural ceremony by seeking the blessings of the Lord Almighty with a prayer song. I request Bindu Jenny ma'am, UKG teacher, to grace this occasion with a prayer song.
Ma'am, unmute. Ma'am, unmute.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be reasons refreshing. Send them upon us, O Lord. Showers of blessing. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead.
Thank you, ma'am. Good company, good wine. Good welcome can make good people. I would like to invite Sridevi Thangam ma'am for the welcome speech.
Thank you, ma'am. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. A very warm good morning to all. As we all have gathered here for the releasing of KG debut digital magazine of the year 2020-21. It's my privilege of having got the opportunity to deliver the welcome speech. Our dear chairman, Mr. Jose Kannamali, who is so simple and humble, who speaks very less, but his words inspires us a lot. With due respect, I welcome you, sir, to this inaugural function. Welcome you, sir. Now I welcome with a lot of respect all the board of directors who always supports us, encourages us. I welcome you all to this occasion. Welcome you all, sir. Now let me welcome our academic director, Dr. Ramanini, sir, who always guides us and supports us in our academics. I welcome you, sir, to this event. Now I welcome our beloved principal, Mr. Jose Joseph Alunkal, who always supports us, inspires us with his motivative words, which really means a lot to us with his endless care and guidance. A hearty welcome to you, sir, to this ceremony. Now let me invite our dear headmistress, Ms. Anita Kumari ma'am, who always encourages us to do the things in a systematic way with lots of love and care. Yes, she always plays a vital role to bring the best out of us. A hearty welcome to you, ma'am. Now I welcome our co-scholastic vice principal in her absence, Ms. Suma Chandran, all other vice principal and all other teachers who always try to be a part of our function with love. I welcome you all to this wonderful moment. Every parent is a first teacher for the child. Without your support and cooperation, nothing is possible. Hearty welcome to all the loving parents to this function. Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. Now I welcome all the dear teachers to this function. Welcome you all. Now it's time to welcome all our little hearts. Each child is unique and special to us. It's not complete without you, my dears. So my dear children, I welcome each one of you to this function. Once again, I welcome each one of you to this great event. Thank you all. and have a great day.
Okay,
Thank,
good.
thank you, ma'am. I welcome you to this ceremony. Leaders
you.
are made, they are not born, they are made by hard effort, which is a price which all of us must pay to achieve any goal that is worthwhile. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Here we have an eminent leader. So I would like to invite Jose Joseph Alumkal sir for the presidential address.
Thank you, madam. So can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Good morning, all of you. Esteemed chairman, respected board of directors, vibrant HM, committed team members, and our exuberant parents and beloved children. So once again, I also extend a warm welcome to each one of you to this the special program, that is the release of our debut digital magazine for the kindergarten. So I know emotionally we all are very close to each other, but physically our parents and kids are concerned, they are miles away. But that doesn't make any sense in this online mode of education. Emotional attachment and emotional bonding, that is more important in all the relations, whether it is the teacher-taught relations or the husband-wife relation or the parent-children relation. So it is applicable in the school scenario too. School should be a binding force or a binding place, whether it is kindergarten or the senior secondary. And teacher needs to play a vital role in cementing the relation between the parents and the school. And of course, this is what the KG kindergarten is concerned. They are taking initiative for that. So in this scenario, I just want to share, that a couple of thoughts with all the young parents of kindergarten, as well as the team members. So kindergarten is concerned, the children need to be the performers, not competitors. So there is no place for competition and comparison in kindergarten, especially. In other area also, in the higher level also, of course, the comparison and competition is concerned, it should have a second place. In the kindergarten, of course, it should not be given a priority at all. So rather, we should give focus for the performance. And I'm very happy to say that our kindergarten team is doing exactly same what I was sharing with you. So you are giving opportunity for all the kids to perform, to tap out the talents, the hidden talents of all the kids placed in our care. So it is all about the inclusiveness, not exclusiveness. All children are to be taken care of well, and this is a policy of the institution also to give opportunity for all kids. And even in the online mode, in this virtual platform also, we are doing the same. Okay, so this is not a limitation for us, because I was just going through all the activities of the kindergarten, and it is not at all a limitation for us. Rather, we have considered it as an opportunity. And I'm very happy to say that our kindergarten teachers under the leadership of HM is exploring the possibility of giving enough opportunities for all the children, even in this virtual format. Okay, so and I feel all our children are concerned, they are the precious gems. Okay, it's not one or two. All children are concerned, they are the precious gems, and our teachers are giving that opportunity for us, for the platform for the children to discover the best. And of course, there is no place for the fault finding in a team building. Okay, the fault finders are concerned, there is something special about the fault finders. If you send them to heaven, they will find, fault there in the heaven also. Okay, the hell is concerned, of course, already people are there. Okay, people are there for the fault finding, but in the heaven also, these people can find the fault. So there is no place for the fault finders there in the team. Okay, we need to discover each other. We need to appreciate each other. We need to boost up each other, so that we'll be able to bring out the best talent out of the team as well as our students. As long as we are not able to take out the best from the team, we won't be able to take out the best from the student, because it has got a cascading effect. That is a management principle. Okay, and I believe that our KG team is concerned, they are doing it very successfully. Okay, tapping out the best talent of our children, and this is what I have given in my message also. Education means to draw the best out of men and women. This is not my words. This is the words of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so we need to draw the best out of children, irrespective of the situation, irrespective of the level, whether it is kindergarten level or the senior secondary level. We should be able to explore the best out of the children. We should be able to draw the best out of children. And I'm very happy to say, as the principal of this institution, that our KG team members have successfully draw the best out of children in this digital format, in this magazine is concerned. So I appreciate all the KG teachers, okay, for this wonderful job we have done it, especially under the leadership of our editor in charge, Mrs. Divya. She is not a computer teacher, I know, but of course, she has learned it, and of course, she has done that editing work and all very well. Special appreciation to her also. Okay, and our KGHM is concerned, Mrs. Anita is concerned. She is always the forefront to bring out the talents of all the KG team members and the students and the parents. So I appreciate Mrs. Anita for vibrant leadership as the HM. Anyway, our selection is not wrong, to place her to elevate her as the KGHM. That 1 year before she is doing a lot of work. And the selection of the name of the magazine is concerned, that is also a very apt one. Mindora, I came to know that that is a German expression which means gift of love. I came to know that Mrs. Murudhara, a senior member of the KG, so she has taken the initiative for that one and for the selection of the one. And of course, it was accepted by all. Anyway, it's a very good name as well as a meaningful name as far as the kindergarten is concerned. Okay, so once again, I like to appreciate all the KG team members for your significant achievement there in the PCM, that Teachers Award. And all the KG teachers participated in the competition, and all of them are honored with a medal as well as a certificate. So this is a recognition for the institution, and all the entire team members of the management all can feel proud of our kindergarten team. The entry point is concerned, of course, it is very safe, it is very strong, and it is very safe also. I can assure you to all the parents of kindergarten that our kids are in the safe hands. As far as the KG is concerned, we have got a very solid foundation. We have got a very committed and a very strong team, and they are getting these accolades from the outside agency, PCM, and outside agency like PCM. And a very special congratulations to Mrs. Leelavati. She is with a smiling, cheerful face today, as she is always. Okay, so she has got the first prize there in the competition with a cash award of $10,000 and a memento as well as a certificate. So it's really a proud moment for the team, for the Holy Grace Academy. So we are really grateful to her, and we appreciate her efforts and the role to mold the children in a very positive, in a very proactive way in the kindergarten, always with the bubbling in that face as well as that energy. She is showing that energy level throughout the class. So that's a great. So once again, I appreciate all the teachers for your sincere efforts, and a special appreciation to all the children for the performance there in the various programs of KG, and that is shown there in the digital magazine also. I appreciate all the children, all the tiny tots, and the young parents of kindergarten. They are very, very young parents, I know. So they are also doing a very, very positive role, especially the mothers are concerned. Their role is very, very vital. And I appreciate all that. I salute all those parents, for the proactive role there in the kindergarten. And special thanks to the management, for all the support, which they have been extended to me as well as our entire team members. So once again, congratulations to all the team members, parents, students for this innovative initiative from the kindergarten side. Thank you. Have an amazing day ahead.
Thank you, sir, for your appealing words. Now we are here to move on to the next proud moment of the year 2020-21, the release of a magazine, Mintora, means gift of love. A school magazine is an integral part of school life. The magazine, as an organ of the institution, is an apt medium of self-expression for the people there. I am extremely privileged to invite our chairman, Jose Kannambally sir, for our inaugural ceremony of magazine.
Respected principal, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Okay, sir. Okay. We can hear. We can hear.
Yes.
Respected principal, members of board of directors, all the teachers, parents, and my dear little ones. This is first time we are releasing this virtual magazine in our school for the kindergarten. I am very much happy to announce, before starting my this commitment, I want to say a few words about our teachers and our HM. As principal mentioned, in the last PCM competition, that is South Zone competition. I think principal not mentioned that. South Zone competition means comprising 5 states. That is Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra and Telangana. So it is not a small competition. And our dear Leelavati KBS won the first prize, and our 11 teachers won the certificates and merits. It shows that the level of our kindergarten, I don't have to say our kindergarten is very good. It shows clearly. So a special appreciation to headmistress under the leadership of Anita Kumari and her team members won these prizes and laurels to our schools. Now I will come to my duty, that releasing of virtual magazine 2020-21. Okay. With your blessings and prayers, I may release the virtual magazine of kindergarten 2020-21 released. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your magnificent words. I feel very privileged to invite our vibrant headmistress, Miss Anita Kumari ma'am, for felicitation. We are all proud of you, ma'am, and your extinguished hard work in the field of education.
Thank you, ma'am. A dream written down with a date becomes a goal. A goal broken down into steps becomes a plan. A plan backed by action becomes a reality. Esteemed chairman, respected board of directors, academic director in his absence, a loving principal, a supporting section heads, very dedicated all other teachers, worthy parents, and my dear little ones. A bright morning and a blessed new year to all. I'm really glad to congratulate the entire team behind this debut digital magazine of KG 2021. It's a picturesque. The name Mintura is a German word with a beautiful meaning, that is a gift of love. Let it be a gift of love from Holy Grace KG to all the spectators and well-wishers, those who watch this. A special congratulations to the chief editor, Mrs. Divya P. She has taken much effort to make it possible. Our coordinators and the entire KG team also contributed their part well. Moreover, I would like to appreciate all my little ones and parents who continuously encourage us to bring up the name and fame of Holy Grace Academy. Apart from that, we are grateful to the management and principal for their valuable and unconditional support they rendered to us. Once again, thank you all for joining, and let us meet again with a new event soon. Thank you and have a prosperous new year to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am, for your versatile words. Showing gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful things human can do for each other. So next, I would like to invite Bindu Balakrishnan ma'am for the words of gratitude.
Thank you, ma'am. Creativity is a natural extension of our enthusiasm. Honorable Chairman, respected Board of Directors, esteemed academic director, beloved principal, loving headmistress, dedicated head section heads, and my dear teachers, a warm good morning to one and all. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Expressing gratitude elevated the dignity of an individual. First of all, let me start by giving a glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a memorable success. With due respect, I express my sincere gratitude to our beloved chairman, Jose Kanambali sir, despite his busy schedule, has found time to grace this occasion. Thank you, sir. We are grateful to our academic director, Ramanudi sir, for his commitment in all the academic activities. Thank you, sir, in his absence. The best leaders have a high consideration factor. They really care about their people. I would like to thank our beloved principal, Joseph Alunkal sir, for his relentless support and guidance. Thank you, sir. I extend my wholehearted thanks to the Board of Directors for their unstinted support for this occasion. Thank you all. My heartfelt thanks to our dear headmistress Anita Kumari ma'am for your valuable contribution, guidance, and encouragement in all our efforts. Thank you, ma'am. Teachers are the candles who melt themselves to light the path of our lives. My heartfelt thanks to the heads of various departments and all my dear teachers for your unending support. Thank you all. Also, I extend my wholehearted thanks to the parents and my little ones. I owe special gratitude to our Divya ma'am, who have worked hard to ensure this occasion becomes a memorable success. Thank you, ma'am. Once again, I would like to thank one and all for your love and support. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your loving words. Thank you, honorable guests and dear teachers, for your time and patience. We are extremely privileged to have you all here today. Furthermore, I appreciate your valuable time and patience you have shown today. I would like to thank our guests for giving their valuable time to sparkle our event. I believe any function is incomplete without the national anthem. Thus, moving forward, so all of you please raise up for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Once again, thanks to the hard work that all the team members have done. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Sir.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
good
you.
program.
Thank you, sir.